Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. If you are new, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Lizzy. If you are just passing by, you just click this video. Thank you. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe down below, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will not miss my video. So today's video is opening package from Zalando and About You. This one is from Zalando. So this is a box for About You, and I've not opened it. I'm going to open it now for you guys to see it. If it's too small, I can return it. If it's too big, I can return it to take my normal size, but the size I order is medium. So it's getting cold. By maybe by next month or next 2 months it's going to get cold, and the jacket will be more expensive. So as I just see this jacket, it was not too expensive. Yeah, the jacket is very thick. For according to the money, is really good. I'm going to link the picture here for you guys to see what I order. So it's long to damp because of when it's really cold, and they said we don't experience cold. It's like the weather just welcome us. Is not really cold compared to before. So then now I say, okay, let me get ready for the cold, because any little thing I always get sick for cold. Like if it's too rain, I always have flu, like cough, all those kind of sick. So I say, okay, let me get this jacket. It's very thick. I ordered medium. This one was medium. And this one from Zalando is shoe. I just say thank you for purchase. We hope you love your shoe. In normal shoe, I use 38, 39, 40. I don't normally use 40, but the shoe like this I have before is 40. If I put on socks, it's too tight. So I ordered this one. This one was 41. I have to order 41.
Face, 'cause baby, I love, it's natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good.
So I love the shoe. The shoe is so much comfortable, and there is a space. My toe, my big toe is somewhere here. There is a space. When I put on socks, there will still a space for me. So that is the end of this video, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. As I said before, turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.